morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming back for a new video. Today, I'm playing with the swipe and spin technique. I'm going to use a black base and I'm going to use some greens and swipe through that with some, I think either white or black Australian or titanium white or oxide black mixed with the Australian Floetrol to create my Cell Activator. So I haven't decided which color I'm going to use yet. So I think I'm going to use white since I'm using a black base. So anyways, let's get down on the canvas. Let's get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I've got is a little 14 by 18 canvas. And I'm having a lot of fun using my spinner. This is my Jessica Winterstrom spinner that I got from her. And what I'm doing is, so the previous video I did, I was playing with a blue palette. So today I'm playing with greens. And I'm going to use one blue for contrast. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to have a black canvas. And then I'm going to, my colors are going to be Phthalo green from Amsterdam. Reflex green from Amsterdam. Cyan blue from Amsterdam. This is Pearl Sea green from Arteza. Some DecoArt 24 karat gold. And Pebeo's Iridescent green blue. What I'm going to do is I am going to make some squiggly lines. And then I'm going to swipe through with my titanium white Australian Floetrol mix. This is mixed 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part of paint. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the colors kind of in a line, almost like you would for like a Dutch pour. But then I'm going to swipe through them with the Australian Floetrol. All right, so let's first get this canvas flooded. All right, so I think we'll start off with the phthalo green first. I'm gonna torch this. My paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium, Floetrol, no water. And what I'm learning with this technique is you want to really concentrate a lot of the color here in the center and then less on the outside, because as you spin out, if you have too much on the outside, it all just flips off. So what I'm going to do, I think here, is start right in the center. Oh man, I really didn't want to start with the Reflex green, but that's okay. We'll put the phthalo on top of it. That's that primary cyan. This is the sea green. Gold's a little bit thicker. And then we'll go with the blue-green. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna do a little white and black cell activator. I'm gonna coat the back with black. And then I'm also going to coat it with white. So giving it a little swipey action. Start right here. Just drag it along the colors. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Take a little bit of white only. Just swipe through a little of this. I like what's happening here, so I'm gonna stop. Get ready to spin. Put my board up here. Make sure I don't hit it. All right. Now I'm just gonna give this a hard spin. Give this another spin. I love it. Very cool, very, very cool. You can really see almost every single color in there too. In fact, you can see every single color. I love what's happening in here. Just really, really nice effects. All right, guys, here we are. Check it out, it's so cool. All right, so let's see how this dries. Be right back. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. I love this so much. Beautiful colors, beautiful cells, just fantastic. Let me bring you in here. Okay guys, that's gonna do it. Really happy with how this came out. Love the blues and greens through here. That reflex green, I wish I would have gotten that in there a little bit more, but I still love it so much. It just really dried great. Gonna put some resin on this, I think, and that will be ready to go. Very happy with it. All right, everyone, have a great day. I will see you on Wednesday's video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.